Hello again, everybody. It's the Nasi, your Caliper King. Today we're gonna show you how to install bushings properly and sliding pins on a common rear GM bracket. Goes on the Equinoxes, the Traverses, the Trailblazer rears, but I'm gonna show you how to properly seat the boot so no water or any kind of contaminants can get to the pin where it causes it to seize. So here we go. First, we got to start off with our new bushings and new pins. Again, we have to make sure that the inside of the bracket sliding pin area is completely debris free and clean. So all you can see is bare metal casting inside. Again, we're going to take the drill bit. We'll put this in our little Yost vise. We love our Yost. Very durable, American construction. Here we go again with our 3 or 4x4 inch shop towel. Stick it on the edge. In and out. Ooh, that was dirty. Ooh. Let's do it again on this side. Oh, a little brown there. It's okay. Ooh, look at that, how dirty that was. Ooh, jeez. Now that orifice is nice and clean, we are gonna go ahead, take one of our bushings that we get from Better Brake Parts, one of the greatest internal parts supplier in the country, has been supplying the country with internal caliper parts for probably, I'm gonna say the late 70s, early 80s. I always remember this being around my father. He started calipers in 85. So I always remember this company being around. There's another company that also is involved with selling internal caliper parts. I'd rather not mention the name. Not cool what they've done to us small rebuilders. They've tripled the price on about every little component. And it is owned by Ray Bestos, and we are not happy because all they are is a big fish eating more and more and more smaller fishes, and they're trying to take over the market, which I think is a monopoly, but whatever, not my problem. I'll keep doing what I can do. But here we go. So first off, there is a lip in the inside of this bushing of your GM rear. It's a soft bushing, and it has to wrap around the edge here. You might be able to see it better back here. You see there's a lip. We want to make sure that's seated properly. So what we'll do, we'll take a little bit of our Silk Glide, because this is the best. Put it on our finger, dab some on our finger. Put it on the inside edge. And as we install it, and from the bottom, we'll make sure it seats here, and then push your hands around it. Give it a little twist, make sure it's nice and sealed to the casting, and voila, there's your bushing. Let's do the other one quickly. With the Silk Glide, on the inside. Push from the bottom, and work your way up. Give it a little twist, seat it, and now it's time for the pin. Let's take a little bit more Silk Glide. Rub it on our pin. All over, coat the whole thing. The more the merrier. Twist it in a little bit. Push in. And there you have it. A perfectly moving pin that will never get stuck. Same thing with the other pin. Let's put some more Silk Glide on. Twist it in a little bit. Let it sit. There we go. Now we got moving pins. Like brand new. Thanks for watching our video on the rear GM caliper bracket bushing install and pin install. Hit the subscribe button give us a like, and break on. Always remember, if you have any suggestions for caliper problems you have, or you need help with something, put it down in the comments down below. And thank you. We'll take care of it. Thank you.